Gate valves. Gate valves used to start and stop float. The valve is completely opened when the disc is removed from the flow stream. Classification of gate valves is made by the type of disc used: solid wedge, flexible wedge, split wedge, or parallel disc. Globe valves. Globe valves used to start, stop and regulate float. The disc moves perpendicular to the seat to open or close the flow, so the annular space between the disc and seat ring gradually changes. There are 3 body designs for globe valves: Z body, Y body, and angle, and 3 designs for the disc: ball disc, composition disc, and plunge disc. Ball valves. Rotational motion valves used to start, stop or throttle float. The valve uses a ball-shaped disc with a hole in it. When the valve is opened, the hole of disc is turned in line with the direction of the flow. When the valve is shut, the ball is rotated so that the hole is perpendicular to flow direction. Check valves. Check valves or non-return valve are used in systems employing gate valves because they prevent the reversal of flow in the piping system and there is a low pressure drop across the valve. The pressure of the fluid through the system opens the system, while the weight of the check mechanism will close the valve if the flow is reversed. Control valves. A control valve is a valve used to control fluid flow by varying the size of the flow passage as directed by a signal from a controller. This enables the direct control of flow rate and the consequential control of process quantities such as pressure, temperature, and liquid level. Diaphragm valves. Linear motion valves that are used to start, regulate, and stop fluid flow. The disc is flexible and seals with the seat in an open area at the top of the valve body. Butterfly valves. Rotary motion valves that can be used in on-off and throttling systems. They are quick and easy to operate. The flow control element is on either a vertical or horizontal axis and is opened when the handle is rotated 90 degrees and closed when the valve is turned an additional 90 degrees. Needle valves. Needle valves have a long, tapered, needle-like point that is used to make relatively fine adjustments in the amount of fluid flow. They are sometimes used as component parts for other valves because the needle allows for a gradual change in the size of the fluid flow opening. Relief and safety valves. The relief valve opens slowly as the pressure increases above the set point and only opens as necessary. The safety valve rapidly opens as the pressure setting is reached, and will stay open until the pressure is lower than the actuating pressure set point. Both valves are used to prevent damage by relieving accidental over-pressurized fluid systems.